Hello, welcome to Spy Money. Let's talk about our last day of the year. I'm going to go ahead and give a 20% discount to anybody in the public. You don't have to be in the VIP room for this. Today only, midnight Eastern Standard Time, the deal's off the table. So if you try it on January 1st of Eastern Time, it ain't going to work. So let's talk about this. Let's talk about what kind of money could have been made if you had followed my strategy, which I do teach in this Ranger indicator. And if you'd have followed my strategy, you would have had a total of 8 wins and 1 loss. You had 1 loss right here, and you could have mitigated that loss a little bit, but a loss is a loss. You know, that's what our strategy is, and that's what I stick to. So you would have had these 8 winners down here, and have been fine. And this one right here should be moved over a little. And with that, you're going to have every one of these will be a winner based on trading the strategy that I teach you to trade. And that's where you would end up being. So $2,450 is what you'd be. Let's throw in a coupon code of, let's do, let me look here. What is that coupon? Let's see here. This coupon will get you, let me get it there. I thought I had it ready. Right there's your coupon code. 2021 deal 20%. Save 20% through midnight tonight only. Again, don't ask me later for a discount because it ain't going to happen unless you're in the VIP club. The VIP club, you get 20% off products every single day. You don't have to wait for anything. So we're looking at 20% off today only. And that would get you, the best deal to do would be, if we go into Ranger, and let me show you this right here and show you where to go. So if you go up here and you go ahead and buy the Ranger Mover Together, you're going to make the most money. There's 3 strategies that I teach on how to use these 2 right here. This is your best deal of anything on my website. This is your best deal. They get the SpyBot Ranger Indicator and the SpyBot Mover. I teach how to trade the mover by itself as far as the entry and an exit on that. I also teach how to use the SpyBot entry and exit on that. And I teach how to use the SpyBot Mover with the Ranger with the entry on the SpyBot Mover and the exits using the Ranger to help out. So this right here is your best bundle. So if you click on that, it'll open up and it will show the details about each one of these 2. It tells more about it. This is a moving average. And by using the moving average with my strategy, you will, I'm sure, to make money. I mean, you never know. It depends on the person. But if you follow my strategy, it works. That is what I would recommend. Of anything on my website, this right here. Now, if you go up here to the VIP club, this one's even a better deal for you. If you purchase the VIP club, then you go ahead and you get discounts on everything, 20% all the time. All of my courses online are free. It comes with a VIP. You get the live training webinars, so I'm teaching how to trade futures and stuff. That's all free. And you get access to past recorded webinars. So you also get the extra training videos that will never be seen anywhere else. I only do them for the VIP members. And we just started this VIP membership here about a week or so ago. And so this is going to be our best deal. Any new products, I'm going to be talking about them in the VIP room first. And also, if you lease SpyBot, Auto Trading Bot, you get the membership free. So you get all of this free when you lease the SpyBot. To lease SpyBot, you go up here. It's a $400 setup fee. You come down to the bottom and you click on this one here. When you click on that, put in it's $1,000 a month and $400 sign up fee. I tap into your computer to set everything up. That way you don't have to do it. There's also videos to do it if you want to do it. And I guess I need to restart my computer. Anyway, I set everything up on your computer, make it easier for you. Again, if you don't want me to do that, there are videos that teach you how to do that. And then you just pay the monthly fee. I do live training to show you how to use the bots, what settings to use, and so forth. So this right here is actually your better deal because you get the VIP club for free. So really, you're paying $800 a month for the lease, and you're getting $200 for the VIP club, which gets you the training videos on how to train, how to trade better, and also how to get a discount on everything that we have. So that's what I would recommend. Again, if we come back and we go back to this one here, this is what I'd recommend. Put in that discount code of 2021 deal 20%, and that will save you 20% off on that. If you try it on other products, it doesn't work. It only works on that. So try that out. Let me know if I can help you in any way. Send me a message. If you go to my website, we'll go to that again. Let's see here. If we go in here, if you go up to the contact and you click on this, I am the one that answers to all these. It's not someone else. So if you put all their information here, type a message, it is me that answers every single one. And there's a lot of them every day. So I try my best to help everybody out to make the decision of what will be best for you on our website. I get asked often, what should I buy? And what is going to be the best money maker for me? This right here. This is it. I've got courses up here. The really good course is the 2-step. So if we go into the 2-step and look at that one, that is our best course online right now that teaches how to do the 2-step. But in my opinion, I think that you will make more money long term on bundling the mover and the ranger indicator, which is where right here. If you bundle this one, I think you're going to make a lot more money than you would if you just do that on its own. So that's straight from the owner's mouth. I'm telling you what I would buy, and that is down here. The best deal for you is if you buy the members club, and then you get 20% off everything. So you pay $200 for this, you'll get your 20% off on this, but you're going to get 20% today anyway. But if you're looking at other things, then you would get that, plus you're getting your training videos and such. So that would help you out in getting in the VIP members club. And come January 1st, we are going to really put a lot of effort into this. We're going to have training. I mean, lots of training, 2, 3, 4, 5 times a week. Just depends on what we do. This is going to be the people that are going to be making the most, in my opinion, because they're going to be well trained. And it's all for $200 a month. It's real cheap. So if you have any questions, anything, let me know. That contact form on the website. Put your coupon in. This lasts to midnight tonight only. You better hurry. Peace out.